Hey y'all, hey, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. By the title of this video, I am going to be showing you how I construct a wig. Now, for those that is new to my channel, my name is Robin. It's nice to have you here. I hope you are here for a long haul. And for those that have been rocking with me from day one, girl, I appreciate you for all the support. So let's get straight into the video. What you're seeing me doing, I am putting the lace closure onto the dome cap and measuring it, figuring out where I want to place my lace. The marker that you see me using, I am using a chalk marker. Works wonders. Once I outline the lace closure, I'm going to remove it, and then I am going to use a tape measure to trace my lines and how much spacing that I'm going to use. I normally use an inch of spacing because, like I said, I double my wefts and I don't need my wig caps to be bulky when it's getting installed on my client's head. I love a flat foundation. So yeah, and I'm going to give you tips on, doubling the wefts and tripling the wefts in the next video. So the next step you guys see me doing is basically doubling my wealth. I think if doubling the wealth make the process much faster, and you can add as much as hair as you like onto your dome cap and make your wig so full by doubling the wealth instead of using one piece of wealth and then you got to make the line smaller, if that makes sense. So now you see me is sewing the wealth, the tracks onto the dome cap. And this is very self-explanatory. I don't need to really get into much detail about this, but I am threading it and I'm double back threading it to lock the wealth onto the dome cap. Now, last but not least, I am going to apply the lace closure onto the dome cap. Very much self-explanatory, as you guys can see, and I'm actually going to sew it down. And now this is the completed video of me showing you guys how I constructed my wigs. As you guys can see, I used 4 bundles, very full. The wefts I doubled. There is no bulkiness in the cap at all. It lays very flat to your head. So that wraps up this video, and like I said, if you haven't subscribed already, you guys, make sure you do so. And like I said, my name is Robin for those that is new to my channel, and I will love to see you guys in the next video. So bye.